Hey guys, it is Julian from Greyson Enterprises, and today I'm going to show you how to get started on Midjourney. So, Midjourney is an artificial intelligence software that can create pictures off of prompting. The possibilities are almost endless, and it's just the wording that needs to be typed in order for you to get almost exactly what you want. Now, in order to get Midjourney, you're gonna have to get it through the website. You're gonna have to pay maybe a basic fee from $10 and up. There is a upgraded plan if you want, a better experience. But for right now, we're gonna use the basic plan. So, how to get started? Well, you can either use the bot and just type in whatever you want from there, or you can make your own server. You could add your own server in Midjourney so you can get your own private pictures. So the first thing that you need to learn is that there's certain commands in order for the images to be taken place. So if you just press slash, you get all of these commands: imagine, blend, ask, describe, fast. But imagine is basically the one that you're mainly gonna use. This is the command that you can use to allow yourself to prompt out what you want to create. So if I just click here, you see prompt right here. So this is gonna allow me to type whatever I want, and when I press enter, it will make it for me. So let's just make a man. Now it will take a minute, but essentially it's gonna come up. And there you have it. So we got a man. Well, it is a guy at least. Looks kind of sad, but it's okay. Keep in mind though, there's some limits to what you can do, such as text in an image. So if you just ask Midjourney to imagine maybe a website for animals with words. Made it. Let's click here. Now, I mean, it doesn't really render well the words, and it just doesn't look like words. Like doesn't look like actual words. So that's just one of the ifs for Midjourney. It can't produce correct words. Like you can't just say you want a website that has words like this and that, because it won't make it for you. It's just not that. It's not that precise enough to do it. Now also understand that I actually changed the prompt, because earlier I had a prompt and it didn't make the website. So you have to be very specific in order to get what you want. I wanted a website showing animals, right? It made like a website thing showing animals, but you got to be very, very specific. Midjourney is a very powerful tool, and you can use it to your advantage. If you're running out of ideas, Midjourney could generate them for you. Let's say I wanted a logo for a business. That's white and gold for a diner. Enter. Okay, so it created a fork for me, a little fork logo for like a diner restaurant. It's pretty nice to be honest, but out of these, I would say this one looks nice. So if I wanna just have that one, I could press upscale to just show that one image. Now it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to upscale 3. So I'll just press U3. And it will make it for me. But let's say, this looks nice, but it could be better. You could actually create variations of it. So you see V3 right here. If you press V3, it'll create 4 different variations for the same image. Okay, I mean, some of it looks nicer, right? And then if I just want to upscale one, then I'll just upscale. So the best one that I would choose would be 4 probably. So I'm gonna U4, and it's just gonna upscale this one for me. Okay, nice. Okay, so like, what if the image is just not in the aspect ratio you want? Well, that's really easy. Now, let's say I want it in a phone. You just put the aspect ratio of a phone after you type in the prompt. So let's do something different. I want to make a man surfing, right? So I'm just gonna put a man surfing. You're gonna insert this command, 2 dashes AR for 7 aspect ratio for a phone. I want to make this like maybe a wallpaper. Now, boom! It just made a man surfing in the aspect ratio I want as a phone. Looks pretty cool actually. But like, let's say I didn't want a man surfing as an illustration. Let's say I wanted like more like realistic, like. So we're just gonna imagine and just type in the same thing, but we're gonna put photo realistic. Maybe add in cinematic. We'll put in the same thing, aspect ratio. We're gonna put in 4:7. Okay, cool. So it made a man surfing, but it looks more real than this one, which is what I wanted. Looks really cool. And then I'll just want to upscale maybe 2. Looks the most real out of all those 3. It actually looks like it's from a movie, or maybe like the thumbnail for a movie. That looks cool. Okay, well, keep in mind that there are certain parameters that you could use to really maximize the detail potential of your image that you could find on the website itself. So if you go to Midjourney and you go to commands, you could see the parameters that you could input in order to really get that, you know, more photorealistic look, or maybe a cartoonish style, anything like that. But if you want more, that would be on a different video. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I hope this video does you well. Goodbye.